Scientists' terrifying new underwater discovery that changes everything. Uncharted territory in the deep water is vast. You won't believe the weird creatures that call the depths home. Even though most of the ocean has yet to be discovered, every once in a while we catch a peek at the strange and fascinating organisms that make their existence there, like the ever-popular blobfish. These are some that are entirely alien. What are some of the most horrifying things that have been found underwater? Curious to know more? Now let's get deeper into this. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Remember to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to ensure you get all the updates. Let's start the video. Stoplight loosejaw. One of the ocean's most covert predators is the stoplight loosejaw fish. Its lower jaw is like a mousetrap, with an exposed frame of bone and no soft floor, and it gets its name, stoplight, from the red light emitted by bioluminescent organs close to its eyes. The eyes of many deep-sea organisms aren't sensitive to red light, hence the majority of the bioluminescence in the deep-sea ocean is blue. On the other hand, the stoplight loosejaw can see in the color red, allowing it to illuminate its victim without causing any alarm. Glass squid. There are about 60 different types of glass squid in the water, and they get their name because they are transparent. This is a clever adaptation that allows them to escape being seen by predators in the dark. Young lyre cranch squid are depicted on top. The two protruding parts are, respectively, two eyeballs on long stalks, given that its eyes are more opaque than the rest of its body. It has equipped each with a bioluminescent organ to prevent the shadow cast by its own body from being seen. However, those stalks will vanish as the juvenile matures, and it will eventually relocate to the midnight zone. Cockeyed squid. There is a wide range of squid sizes in the deep sea, from the kraken-like gigantic squid, which can grow to more than 10 meters in length at the tips of its longest tentacles, to the tiny squid, which can grow to a maximum of approximately 15 centimeters in length. The cockeye squid, commonly known as the strawberry squid, has an eye that is twice as big as the other eye. It hunts in the dark by keeping an eye out for prey above it, and a watchful smaller eye on the ground below. Thread-tail fish and boxer snipe eel. Similarly to a ribbon, the body of the threaded tail fish and the boxer snipe eel are long and slender. The body of the threaded tail is roughly 30 centimeters long, and its name comes from the long streamers on its tail that are twice as long. The binocular-like lenses of its eyes give it another name, the two-eye fish, which it uses to hunt in the dark. The two-eye fish is so rare that it constitutes the sole member of its taxonomic order. Growing to over 1.5 meters in length, the boxer snipe eel eats by sweeping its long jaws through the water and capturing the appendages of passing crustaceans on its fine teeth. Anglerfish. It can be challenging for creatures seeking a mate to locate one in the murky depths. Some deep-sea anglerfishes carry the idea of clinging to a possible mate to an extreme. A boy kissing a girl leaves a permanent mark on her body, and vice versa. The men are significantly smaller than the females. The male parasitically feeds off the female as she uses her bioluminescent lure to acquire prey. Their blood supplies are joined through the male's lips. However, the male's dangling presence serves a valuable purpose. He fertilizes the female's eggs before she releases them. Dragonfish and hatchetfish. Like underwater fireflies, several deep-sea organisms may emit spots or flashes of light, known as bioluminescence. In the twilight zone, the vestiges of sunlight cast shadows that disclose creatures to predators. Hence, plenty of species in this zone are studied with lights for concealment. For example, the hatchetfish's underbelly has bioluminescent organs that match the dim light coming from above, breaking up its profile. In the midnight zone, creatures like dragonfish use bioluminescent searchlights to discover their prey. And throughout the deep ocean, organisms signal with lights to other members of the same species to attract a mate, for example. Sea sapphire copepods. Deep-sea fishes like the thread-tail and the stoplight loosejaw prey on copepods. Tiny crustaceans, measuring only a millimeter or two in length. Most copepods feed on small, surface-dwelling algae, and their waste and carcasses aid in bringing carbon deep into the ocean. There are sapphire's copepod males who are free-swimming, while the females are parasites within drifting jelly organisms called salps. Small crystal plates in the male's skin reflect blue light, giving them a glistering appearance. This is it, everyone. So what do you think? Leave a comment and let us know. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done that. Also, put on the notifications because the following video is going to be a great one.